I'm expecting my pupils to grow to be something in future. There was a day I asked them, what did they want to be? I asked them one after the other. And some even told me that they want to be, some even told me they want to be teachers, they want to be doctors, and so on and so forth.
The need in our children's life is that some are still afraid. If they came, they will have this thing. They will not have full confidence of staying in the classes. But as now, as the training we are receiving now, they are becoming normal.
The methods that were introduced here, we added them to the knowledge methods we are having. In fact, pupils are improving. Even right away, the pupils who are teaching, they get back to the community, talk to some of the parents of whom their pupils were being taken to other schools. The encouragement they're having from the present pupils, they are now making them to return back their pupils from from other schools to our present school. In fact, it is improving the educational standard.
We are very happy with the teaching that we had the other time. We discussed about 10 ways of teaching. That is, one of them is relating theory and practicals.
We do apply it, especially like the multi-sensory method. We apply it where we teach the children. Those that understand, we allow them to teach others so that a lot of learning will take place.